Hello there, I'm Yvonne de Celis and I'm coming to you on YDCtv. It is Saturday, January 19th, 2019, and it is about 5 o'clock in the afternoon or early evening, depending on how you look at it. Just want to do another quick video on energy medicine for you. This is a really brief one. If you have trouble relaxing and you just need to calm down, this is a really quick one. First thing you want to do is rub your hands together. And again, this is not the rub your hands together, shake them out thing. You just want to get them nice and warm. And then the next thing you want to do is, this depends on you which hand goes where. I'm left-handed. I'm putting my left hand on my forehead, and I'm putting my right hand on the back of my head, the back lobe, basically, towards the back on the occipital ridge. I have a band in the way at the moment, but you just want to hold the front of your head. And again, here we go to the back of the head, right at the occipital ridge. And you just want to hold these points at the same time and breathe in through your mouth, breathe in through your nose and out through the mouth. So when you breathe in, tongue should touch the roof of your mouth. And if you want to know for sure if it's in the right spot, just hold it up against your teeth. So in through the nose with your tongue at the top of your mouth and out through the mouth. And again, as always, if you can't breathe like that comfortably, breathe comfortably. Just breathe in and out. So in and out. And one more time, in, out. And one last one for now. And that's it. That should help calm you down. Just a couple more points, just a few more points, just if you feel like you are developing a cold or the flu, this is the time of year, 'tis the season. Here's a couple of spots. The web between your thumb and your index finger. If you push right in, down and in, you'll find a little groove. Press your thumb in, don't press into the point of pain, just press soft enough so that you feel it, and hold that point down with your thumb for about a minute. Do both hands, so do this hand, then switch to the next one, and again you want to feel there's a little dent right in towards where the fingers are. So you just want to hold in, but again, don't press so hard that you're hurting yourself. Press in enough so you can feel it. Hold those points for about a minute. Other points you can hold are the spots right here, right outside your nose, right outside where the nostrils are. These are on meridians. And one last spot, this will probably change your voice a little bit if you press it down, and as I said before, hold it down hard enough so you can feel it, but not to the point of pain. You shouldn't be hurting yourself. And the last point is right on your eyebrows. Let me just move these out of the way for a moment. Right where the eyebrows are, right where they start, just press and hold down on both points, and again for about a minute. And the whole time while you're doing this, once again, do not forget to breathe. So again, in through the nose, out through the mouth. If you think of it, if you can think of doing those points, just holding these points, this point here, here, and again on both hands here. Hold these points down for about a minute. Try to do that a few times a day if you think of it. If you have a cold and you do that, hopefully your cold symptoms will dissipate sooner. Anyway, I do hope you're not sick, and I hope everyone in your family is okay. As always, please leave a comment down below. I'd love to know if this helps you. If you have any requests for anything else, please let me know. And as always, Namaste. Thank you so much for coming. Hope to put another video of it soon. Thanks so much. Cheers. Talk to you later.